watch today. That is how to use AI to achieve your goals. So this is really great, right? You hear about AI all the time. For those of you who don't know, my name is Paige. I work with wellness, abundance, law of attraction, and just having a better overall life, right? Creating an intentional life that you want to be in, right? Okay. So today, anyway, we're going to talk about AI. How we can use AI, not just for big companies, it's also for people. If you look at Siri, you look at Babel, a lot of these different companies are using AI to enhance your experience. But did you know you can use AI to enhance your experience? Which means that, let's say you can use AI to help create calendars, create, templates if you want to have a business, if you want to know what things are going well, if you want to know how to better schedule your time, you can use AI. And so AI is not just for big companies, it's for us too. And this is how we can use it to free up some of our time so we'll have a better time with our families.